This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a watch list on Webull. If you're an investor or just keeping an eye on the market, having a personalized watch list can be incredibly helpful to track stocks and other assets you're interested in. Let's dive right into the process. To kick things off, you'll first need to open the Webull app and sign in to your account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need to access your portfolio to create a watch list. Once you're in, you'll notice various sections on your screen, but for this task, we're focusing on the watch list section located right at the top of the screen. Tap on it to get started. Once you've opened the watch list section, you'll see a menu near the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this watch list menu to proceed. Here's where you can manage your existing watch lists or create new ones. To create a new watch list, simply select Add List. This is your gateway to organizing your investment interests efficiently. After selecting Add List, it's time to give your new watch list a name. This could be anything that helps you identify the group of stocks or assets you plan to track, like tech stocks or dividend earners. Once you've entered a name that suits your purpose, tap Done to save your new watch list. With your watch list created, the next step is to add stocks or other assets to it. To do this, head to the search bar located at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can search for any stock or asset by typing in its name or ticker symbol. Once you've found the asset you're interested in, open its detailed page to proceed. On the Assets page, you'll see a watch list or heart icon at the top of the screen. Tap this icon to bring up your list of watch lists. Now, simply choose the watch list where you want to add this stock or asset. Confirm your selection, and just like that, the asset will now appear in your custom watch list. And there you have it. You've successfully created a watch list on Webull and added assets to it. This tool will help you keep track of the market and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.